What's up, team? Fullest. This again, Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click up my canal. So guys, excuse the face mask, okay? I want to come and show you guys this nail thing that I got on Aliexpress a while. I think like this week. I've already opened it to check if it's complete, so I can say in my Aliexpress account product has been received. So, but I want to show you guys the polish that I picked. I'll try and put a picture here of the polish that I picked up. The colors, they're more neutral. You guys know I'm a neutral girl. I'm trying to pick more colorful ones, but I first want to try this one and see how it goes. So I'm also trying to fix them today to see how it looks. I've already cleaned my nails, I've filed, I've do everything I'm supposed to do in the beginning, prep my nails. And so now I want to come and try and see how to fix them. But first, let me guys show you the package. So when you bought the nail, this is what comes in. This is the box. You get this thing where you can learn how to fix the nail on it. This one, I don't know the name, but you got this one. And they are tiny pieces like this. Is where you put the gel and then you stick it on your nails like this. You put it underneath the dryer and it dry, and then you remove it. This is what this one for. You get this brush in here. You get this one. When you open it, you have like the file here where you use to take the gel, and then here you have a brush that you use to put everything to lay down smoothly. So you got this one, you get this and this in here. You get a nail clipper to clip your nails. And please excuse the noise if you guys hear the kids in the background. But you get this nail clipper to clip like this. So you get this one. You get a file. I already have a bunch of files that I picked up. And what else do you guys? You got base coat and a top coat. You get base coat and top coat. And then what else? You get the thing where you dip the brush to make sure it doesn't stick. You get 2 of them. So, and here I'm supposed to have 9 of these gels. This is the container the gel comes in, like this tiny containers. I'm supposed to get 9, but I actually get 10. Maybe they accidentally put 1 more, so I don't know. But you have like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they send me 10. I don't know why, but it's okay, it's good. So I want to come and try. Let me just kind of like open one. I don't know which color is this one because it's not even written there which color is this one, but let me just open it. Oh, this is the white one. Oh no, I don't feel like I want to do a white nail right now. Don't want to do a white nail right now. I want to do something natural, something on the natural side. You guys know I'm a natural girl. Please excuse the face mask, okay? Please do not get offended. And excuse the mess in the background. This is so kind of a little bit tricky to open. Why is it not just peeling off? Just peel up. I have here like a little toothpick. I'm gonna take that one to raise. Ew. Yes. Now this one is like I don't know if you guys can see how the color is. You guys see the color? So I think we're gonna try this one. Let's try. Yeah, kind of squeeze in back. So I've shown you guys how this stuff. Ooh, it's sticky. I've shown you guys how this. I have my alcohol here to clean my nails, and I'm gonna get a nail thing. So I've shown you guys how everything looks. So now I'm going to be watching a tutorial on the internet and try and fix my nails. Yes, fix my nails and see how it goes. I'm super excited and nervous at the same time because the girl have never fixed this kind of nails. Everything is learned. I have holidays right now. I was a little bit under the weather. I was a little bit sick. That's why you guys were not seeing video of me every day. But I did stick with my normal schedule with my normal timetable, so I'm happy I was able to stick with that, though I was not able to pull videos every day like I normally do. But I pull video every day when I have the time, and when I don't, I just stick with my normal schedule, because I feel like as a small YouTuber growing up, so I'm gonna put the liquid in here. I'm happy that, because the reason I choose that container, because if it remain, I could just close it like this. And yeah, so first I'm just gonna close it, because I need to get everything, all the paper stuff in here, throw them away. So yeah, I think as a smart YouTuber, you need to be consistent. When people see you every day, when they see a lot of you, people can kind of get used to you. Even if someone does not like you, it kind of see like, oh, this girl, she's really pulling out video every day, she's really trying, and people will definitely come and support you, because they'll be like, oh yeah, she's really trying, she's really trying. And every day, the more you try, every time you get better. So for me, it's like, okay, good. Every day I tried, every day I get more better, so there's nothing wrong with trying. So I push myself to try every day if I can, and if I cannot, then I try my possible best to stick with my schedule. And that has really helped me to have like a lot of subscribers. Not only subscribers, but to help me also have a lot of loyal subscribers who actually watch my videos, watch my ads on my videos. It's surprising if I tell you guys how much I make on this channel since I have been monetized, how much money I make. It's crazy. It's crazy, you know. I'm not saying that I make a whole lot, like a whole lot of money, but compared to other people that have like 10,000, 11,000 subscribers, and listening to them when they say how much they make makes me feel like, if I was in that position, if I'm 10,000 subscribers, what would I be making by now? Because I have, yeah, sorry, 1 minute. What is that? Wat is er dan?
Nou, ik wil dan even naar zijn huis weg, want dan kunnen we online spelen.
Die gaan naar huis?
Nee, of graag of ik mee mag eerst. En dan of graag of...
Maar ze kan die niet spelen, want ze zijn nu druk daar, hè?
Oh.
Ja, kan niet nu. So, excuse the kids. My son have a friend over, so yeah. But yeah, you know, so it's like me putting out video every day and me being consistent with my job, with my work, with my hobby, makes people really likes me, make people really come for me, make people come for me in the sense that they really support me. Like, I got like some real loyal subscribers. It's crazy who watch my videos, watch my ads, and I chat with some of them on my WhatsApp group. If you guys are not part of that group, like, the number is right in the description box. And I even got some of them check out my Amazon store and bought something, and which I really like. So you see, me pulling out video every day, or maybe consistent with my thing, make people take me serious. So that is actually how I have been actually able to grow my YouTube channel, small, even though I don't have a lot of subscribers. But trust me, I do have a great support. I do have a really great support system. I do have some loyal subscribers. Most of my subscribers are not even YouTubers, and that's what I like about it. That is what I like about it, because having a YouTube subscribers, having somebody who's a YouTuber, it's kind of tricky, because they don't really like comfort. They don't really therefore you don't really support you, because a lot of people have a lot of jealousy in them. They'd be like, oh, if I watch it, I'm watching her videos, I don't sure if she want my videos. If you don't leave a comment on their channel, they'd be like, oh man, she doesn't want my videos. When she drop videos, I'm not gonna watch. That is how things goes. And I'm the kind of person, to be honest, now I'm getting opened when it comes to leaving comment on people's video. I'm the kind of person, I have two phones. Like, I have this my WhatsApp, this is my phone here where I use for my YouTube. When somebody drop videos, I'll just put it on this phone and leave it in the drawer and let it play, and I go about my own business. When I come, the phone is off, it's off. That's how I do. Sometimes I just go to my favorite YouTubers, like who are small YouTubers like me. I just go to their playlist and put it and leave it on the phone. When the phone goes off, it goes off. But sometimes when people don't see your comments on their when they don't see comments on their videos, they don't come to your videos. So that's why for me, I'm super happy that a lot of my subscribers are not even YouTubers. They are just regular people who come to my channel and watch my videos and really watch my videos, you know, give me thumbs up. A lot of them sometimes don't even leave a comment, which of course I will appreciate if you guys leave more comments, because then with the community, comment page is more engaged, then it tells people, YouTube people are interested in these videos. But I appreciate the little things you guys do. So guys, I don't know how to do this nail thing, so I'm not gonna come here and be like, this is how you do it. I'll show you guys how the nail thing. I've already put this thing on. You guys can see I've already put it on. You see, when you put your hand, my phone almost fell down. So I don't know how it works. So I'm just gonna do my nails. I have a barbecue to go later in the evening. Maybe I'll also do a little makeup. I'm not too sure, but I want to really do my nails. I want to learn how to start doing my nails, because I don't know, I just want to learn how to do it. So I'm gonna try and fix these nails, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. And maybe I'll be back later to do a quick makeup tutorials. I don't know, maybe. But anyway, excuse this Batman face mask, or I don't know. But anyway, I'll see you guys very soon. Let me go and fix this face, and stay tuned. This is your girl AmiFullest, Team Fullest. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate you guys, as much as I put so much effort into creating something. But I appreciate your love and support, because that was push me going. And we almost at 3K subscribers. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. That is crazy. That is really crazy. But I really appreciate you guys, because I know I put so much effort, and I'm gonna thank me too. I thank you, Ami, for all the efforts that you put, for all the hard work, the sleepless nights, the editing, and every day I wonder when I put every day when I put a video, I want it to be a better quality. But you know, these days I've been using my phone to film, but I know my phone does not really give bad qualities. But no, we're there. I bought on the cameras. I want to pay spend almost 2,500 euros on the camera, batteries, extra lens, and now I'm just, since I got this phone, I'm just on my phone. But I'll be back on the cameras, don't worry. But for now, let's just keep it simple. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and stay tuned, and I'll show you guys if it goes successful or if it go bad. Anyway, whatever happens, I'll come and show you guys, so we just laugh together. Okay, Team Fullest, stay tuned. I love you guys so much for your love and support.